Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to Blogs Jester. In today's video, we will be talking about Amber Heard's lawyer tries to verbally attack Johnny Depp in court. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Let's get started. I've never been assaulted by anyone I've been romantically involved with, Amber Heard told a Virginia courtroom Tuesday at the end of her often harsh cross-examination in the $50 million defamation trial that Johnny Depp launched against his former spouse in March 2019. With Heard friend and author Ayo Tillit right up next as a witness via deposition, the actress has now completed her testimony in the Farrell matter, though the waves from her time on the stand will be felt right to the very of the trial and likely beyond. He knows he's guilty, why can't he look at me? Heard said later in her claims against Depp of physical, emotional, verbal, and sexual abuse under redirect with her own lawyer Elaine Bredhoft. The sunglasses-wearing Depp has been avoiding eye contact with his ex-wife since she took the stand. "I survived that man and I'm here," Heard added with a cracking voice. During his exchange, Depp could be seen laughing with one of his lawyers less than stone's throw away from Heard in the courtroom. "I realized that's what I was entitled to, but I didn't want it. It's that simple." Heard told the court of why she didn't seek the approximately $32 million from Depp she was entitled to in their divorce under California law. Although Heard left the marriage with a $7 million settlement that she said she would donate to charity. Past blockbuster star Depp's team has over and over tried to portray Heard as a gold digger. What extortion, Heard proclaimed to Depp attorney Camille Vasquez when the lawyer accused the actress of being after her client's cash, a particular low moment in a trial that has gone almost as deep as the Mariana Trench on more than one occasion. In that context, Depp's lawyers may have lacked an actual kitchen sink, but they tried to throw one figuratively at Heard today during further cross-examination of the Aquaman actress in the $50 million defamation trial. That strategy continued during the redirect, with Depp's lawyer calling out objection on almost every question by Bredhoft, about half of which Judge Penny Arcards sustained. Before that, cooking, motherhood, smear campaigns, exercise, Depp's unsuccessful wife-beater UK libel suit, deleted tweets, as well as a pretty dysfunctional relationship made a part of Vasquez parrying with Heard this afternoon. The blunt lawyer hoped to entrap the actress in her contradictions and assertions. Certainly, the playing in court of a 2016 audio tape of Depp and Heard's bickering over responsibility of violence in their relationship blurred the lines of who did what first in what has been a series of a messy and toxic revelations since the trial began, April 11, and even before. Heard has long alleged that there were various types of abuse from an often booze and drug-sodden Depp in the couple's relationship. Although he said nothing to that effect during the divorce and its fallout, Depp in 2019 insisted he was actually one abused in the relationship. He also had insisted that late 2018, Washington Post op Heard penned about being a survivor of domestic violence devastated the former Pirates of the Caribbean star's already waning career. Being that this Better Big Sucks battle is a defamation trial, it should be pointed out that the op in the Jeff Bezos' own broadsheet never mentions Depp by name. It should also be noted that Depp never sued the Post, though he did file in Virginia ostensibly because that's where the paper is printed. As he has almost every moment in his ex-wife has been on the stand, Depp never looked at her and mainly kept his eyes focused on the table in front of him. Thereby, the actor stayed true to his 2016 pledge to her that she would never see his eyes again. For what's it worth? Depp and his other main lawyer, Ben Chu, leaned in several times to whisper to each other during sidebar in the proceedings, with the attorney covering his mouth with his hand to avoid the celebrity lip-reading gangs. Later, during redirect, in a nod to how absurd parts of this spectacle have become, Heard's lawyer made sure the jury heard that Depp had actually made eye contact with Heard since his pledge, specifically at mediation conferences and the separated couple and their legal teams had in 2016. Heard told the court in a second mediation in Los Angeles in July 2016, Depp slipped her his new phone number and a note that read, "I'll love you forever, my Slim, dead or alive." Depp sued Heard for $50 million for defamation over a 2018 Washington Post op which Heard wrote, and she became a public figure representing domestic abuse, and I felt the full force of our culture's wrath for women who speak out. Depp has denied her claims of abuse. She has countersued for $100 million over claims that she fabricated her story. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. I will see you in the next video.